Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Now scroll all the way down, tap on Privacy section, and select Permission Manager. Finally, just click on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like Location. Finally, click on one of your apps, in my case, maybe Calendar, and tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Calendar just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage, like Phone. Now select See All Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!